Ever wondered how our body fights off diseases? It's a complex, fascinating process, and it involves what we call the body's second line of defense. This isn't your regular army, but an intricate network of cells and systems within our body, always ready for battle. This second line of defense springs into action when the first line of defense, our skin and mucous membranes, fail to keep out harmful invaders. Intrigued? So let's delve into the fascinating world of our body's second line of defense. When pathogens break through, our defense troops spring into action. Let's talk about the first responders: neutrophils, macrophages, and dendritic cells. These immune cells are the body's personal cavalry, always on standby, ready to protect and serve. Neutrophils are the first on the scene, quick to engulf and destroy the intruding pathogens. But the battle doesn't end there. If any invaders slip past the neutrophils, the macrophages and dendritic cells take charge. Macrophages, the big eaters of the immune system, devour these pathogens with gusto. On the other hand, dendritic cells have a double duty. They not only help in pathogen destruction, but also present antigens to T cells, acting as messengers, alerting the rest of the immune system about the ongoing invasion. These cells are like the body's soldiers, fighting on the front lines against disease invaders. The body has clever tactics to battle intruders. When pathogens slip past our first line of defense, the body orchestrates an inflammatory response. This is where cytokines, the chemical messengers of our immune system, come into play. They're released by immune cells and infected cells, amping up the quantity of their own secretion. These cytokines trigger capillary dilation, basically widening our blood vessels, and increase the permeability of the capillary wall. This allows more immune cells to reach the site of infection. Macrophages, the big eaters of our immune system, get to work, clearing up cellular debris and resolving the inflamed site. Meanwhile, cytokines also crank up the body's thermostat, resulting in fever. This isn't just a sign of being unwell, but it's a strategic move. The increased body temperature inhibits microbial growth, giving our immune system the upper hand. It also speeds up recovery and repair processes. This ingenious strategy helps the body inhibit microbial growth and speed up recovery. Some cells in our body function like stealthy assassins. Among these, natural killer cells or NK cells are our body's own secret agents. They prowl the body, hunting down cells that have been hijacked by viruses or turned cancerous. Once they identify these rogue cells, they induce a process called apoptosis, a kind of programmed cell death. It's as if they whisper a self-destruct code that only the rogue cells can hear. Then, we have the complement system, a series of proteins in our blood serum. These proteins are like bloodhounds attracted to pathogens that have been tagged by our adaptive immune system. One by one, they bind to these invaders, coating them in a process known as opsonization. This coating serves as a marker, a beacon that attracts phagocytes, and like a criminal caught in the spotlight, the marked pathogens are swiftly devoured. These assassins ensure that no harmful invaders escape their deadly grasp. Our body's second line of defense is a complex and efficient system. It's a dynamic interplay of neutrophils, macrophages, dendritic cells, and NK cells. They work in a concert with the inflammatory response, fever, and the complement system. These elements join forces to fend off pathogens, regulate core body temperature, and facilitate recovery. They are the unsung heroes ceaselessly working to keep us healthy. So the next time you fight off a disease, remember the heroes within tirelessly protecting you.